In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a startup team of AI agents with n8n. Whether you're looking to streamline your startup processes or just curious about the power of automation, harnessing the capabilities of AI agents can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and explore each step thoroughly to ensure you have a clear path forward. We'll begin by opening n8n. The first thing you'll need to do is click on Create Workflow. Once you've done that, it's important to name your workflow to keep things organized and easy to find later. In this case, let's call it AI Startup Team. Now you have the foundation to build upon. Next, it's time to add a trigger. This step initiates the workflow, so consider how you would like it to start. You have a few options here. First, the manual trigger is available, allowing you to run the workflow on demand whenever you're ready. Alternatively, the schedule trigger lets you automate it on a consistent basis, like daily or weekly. This is great for regular updates or ongoing projects. Lastly, you can choose a webhook trigger, which means the workflow will start based on an action from another application. Consider your needs and pick the one that best suits your project. Now let's focus on creating the CEO agent. This AI agent is pivotal because it acts as the brain of your operation. To do this, you'll need to add an AI agent node. This agent is designed to process the business's objective, understand the user's goal, and break down the project into manageable tasks. Once that's done, it delegates these tasks to specialized agents who will handle them efficiently. For example, you could use the prompt, "You are the CEO of a startup. Your responsibilities include understanding the user's goal, breaking it into tasks, assigning these to the right agents, and summarizing the results." Imagine an input like launching an AI newsletter for developers. The CEO agent would understand this goal and orchestrate the subsequent steps. Following the CEO, you'll introduce a market research agent by adding another AI agent node. The role of this agent is crucial for understanding the environment in which your startup operates. You might prompt it with, "Research this market." This agent would then return valuable insights such as the target audience, key competitors, market trends, potential opportunities, and associated risks. For instance, you might learn that your audience includes software developers, your competitors encompass AI newsletters, and the opportunity lies in weekly automation tips. To cap off your team, the next step is to add a product manager agent who would oversee the execution of tasks, ensuring alignment with the overall business objective and timeline. With these steps, you've built a cohesive team of AI agents poised to propel your startup forward efficiently. By leveraging the power of n8n, you can manage complex tasks, foster collaboration amongst AI agents, and ensure that your entrepreneurial journey is both streamlined and insightful.